So today I'm gonna show you on how to set up HTTP custom app with V2Ray settings. So let me take this chance to welcome you on this channel. So this app HTTP custom will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection in case you follow along with these settings. I'm gonna share with you the V2Ray settings. So let's try to be quick. This app is already on Google Play Store, so if you don't have HTTP custom app, this is how it looks. So you just open Google Play Store, where you can search and install Android apps, and in the search bar you search for HTTP custom. So you search for that and you install it on your device. So this is how it looks. So this, you open the app. So this app will help you to secure your connection and extra protection when you are online, in case you set it up the right way. So to set it up with a V2Ray settings, you must obtain a V2Ray account, and to create a V2Ray account you must open Chrome or any other search engine. So for today's video, let's use Chrome. So when you reach on Chrome, you search for this website, VPN Jantish. So that's the name of the website. So the website will help us to create a V2Ray account, which will be used to set up the HTTP custom app in order to achieve a fast and a secure connection when you are online. So you visit this site, and on the home page you'll be required to tap on the menu button. So you tap on free option, the free VPN option, and from here you opt for V2Ray VMess. Then from here you will be required to pick from any of the presented locations. So you can pick a V2Ray server from China, Colombia, Bangladesh, and many more. So you pick any from any location. So let's try to pick from here, and also you scroll down, then you see that the server is available, and then you also see the server validity. Then you click on create VMess, V2Ray VMess. So you click there. So from here you'll be required to enter username. So you enter any username which you prefer, and also you verify reCAPTCHA or I'm human. So you verify it. Then you click on create username V2Ray VMess. So before using any VPN app, as we create the account, make sure to read its terms and conditions. And also before using a VPN in your country, make sure to read your country laws and don't violate them. And in case you are using this website, make sure to read its terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. And after creating the account, you'll be able to proceed. So after creating your account, you scroll down, then you'll see that you have successfully created the account, and you'll be able to copy the account details. So you'll be able to copy the WS with TLS or the WS only VMS, So you pick whatever you prefer. So which I'll pick the first one, this one. So you click on copy link and it will be copied. Then after creating this account, the V2Ray account, so all data way we have been creating a V2Ray account which will be used in the HTTP custom and to create like to set it up and get a fast and secure connection. So after that, you required to open the HTTP custom app, and from here when you open HTTP custom, you will be required to tick V2Ray option. That option of V2Ray, make sure to tick it, and when you tick it, you tap on this gear icon or the puzzle icon. So this is the setting icon. So you pick V2Ray settings, and when you pick V2Ray settings, you can tap on this paste button as you can see it in the corner. So you tap on it and it will paste your account details. So after pasting the account details, you'll be able to do some changes. So you can edit the port if it fails to connect. These are the troubleshooting methods or ideas. So you just change the port to 443, and also where you see IP, you just put here your country SNI. So if you don't have it, you can comment, then I'll show you on how to get one. So you put there your working SNI of your country. So you put any. So remember, the SNI can enhance the connection and your connection will be more secure and the connection will be secured. So you put there any working SNI of your country. So for example, I'll put that one, and then I'll put 443 as the port. So you adjust the port according to your country. So after doing that, you can save and go back, and after saving, you'll be able to connect. And when you tap on the connect button, the app will be connected. So just tap on the connect button. So as you can see, the app has successfully connected, and right now the app is working. And that's how we set up this app HTTP to get a fast and a secure connection with extra protection when you are online.